2 personalities, up to 800 horsepower, extensive use of carbon fiber, and just 50 examples planned. That's the formula behind Project 754, the new supercar from Angelelli Automobili, an Italian company focused on developing advanced technologies for high-performance vehicles. Project 754 is neither a mass-produced sports car nor a simple redesign of an existing production model. Instead, it's a coach-built sports car, a vehicle produced in extremely limited numbers using an existing technical platform as a starting point. In this case, Angelelli Automobili is using the Porsche 911, 991 and 992 generations, as its base, though the company says it has no commercial or industrial relationship with Porsche. From there, the car is extensively reworked with a completely new design, revised mechanical components, and bespoke aerodynamic solutions. Project 754 will be offered in 2 distinct configurations. The 754R keeps a rear-engine layout, prioritizing acceleration, traction, and a more aggressive driving character. Meanwhile, the 754M switches to a mid-engine setup, delivering a more balanced weight distribution and improved handling precision at the limit. Both versions are expected to produce between 700 and 800 horsepower and will be built to order, giving customers extensive customization options. Buyers will be able to tailor everything from mechanical components and suspension tuning to materials, finishes, and aerodynamic details. According to Angelelli Automobili, Project 754 was not designed to imitate an existing supercar. Instead, the company set out to create something with its own identity through unique proportions, a completely new body, specially developed components, and an aggressive weight-saving strategy. Advanced manufacturing plays a major role in Project 754's development. Angelelli Automobili says it uses proprietary generative design systems, topology optimization, and metal 3D printing to create lightweight titanium and alloy components. These parts are engineered to remove unnecessary material while maintaining the necessary strength and rigidity. The lightweight hardware is combined with a carbon fiber body and a purpose-built aerodynamic package designed to improve high-speed stability, cooling performance, and overall efficiency. Production will be limited to just 25 examples of the 754R and 25 examples of the 754M. Each car will be individually numbered and built to the exact specifications of its owner.